Hello everybody, my name is Carter. I wanted to do a follow-up to the image that we posted on the Old Ox project for Porterbuilt. It was a 72 Chevy truck that was two-tone black and white and lowered. So I want to show you how we made this in the software. We have two sides. This is our graphic building side. This is where we'll create the black and white two-tone. We'll follow along the upper and lower trim shapes. Over here is the 3D side. This is where we will control and do all the suspension and wheel and tire work. Let's go ahead and jump over here. Let's go ahead and start off by making the truck a solid black. Actually, for right now, I'll go ahead and make it a blue so I can see my lines. Okay, so I'll grab the shape tool. I'll click once right about here, once straight down here. You see I'm following along the lower trim line here. Okay, I'll turn that off and now I'll make that white. We're going to do the same thing for the top. So we click once here. I'll start right, you know what, let's zoom in. I'll start right here, come straight back, up, up, down here, turn it off, go ahead and make this white, and we'll go ahead and adjust that little curve right there. Alright, now we'll just go ahead and hit build and update, so it'll be a blue on a white. So let's go ahead and build an update. And it saves it out, places it on the truck. Maybe let's go ahead and change it to a solid black truck. And you'll see right here I got a little extra, so we'll just come in here. So move that down just a little bit, hit build and update again. And you'll see it makes the correction right there. Okay, so now we can actually rotate around, look at this truck from different angles. So let's go ahead and let's load in the wheels that we had on there. So on wheels, we'll load those up, and you'll see they'll come in place. Now we'll come over here to the sizes, turn them up, 20s and 22s. Okay, we're just going to zoom in here a little bit just to show you some of the controls. So what I want to do on this front is I want to control that sidewall height. So I just jump over here into my tire, turn down the profile to about a 1. Maybe in this one we'll go all the way down to the 0 mark on it. And we'll also widen that tire up just a little bit. Okay. Spin around here to the back. We're going to do the same thing in the back. We'll turn the profile down to about a 1. And in this case, we'll turn that profile up, or the width of it up. And then we're going to take the offset and move it in to give us a deeper offset. So there we go. Okay. Let's just jump back out here to this view. Now it's all about suspension. So let's go ahead and let's just lower that front. About where we want it. Let's lower the rear. About where we want it. So on the wheels, let's change the face color. I'm going to make it just kind of a flat gray color, like that. Okay. Now I can also control the front and rear track width. There's a, see, push them in and out. Maybe I want to change the interior color over to my interior to the black. And there you go. Now the longer I let it sit and render, the cleaner and cleaner it gets. But in this case, we had switched the environment to this like lake sunset kind of an environment. So there you go. We'll just let that cook. Maybe I'll come back over here to these hoops, make them, actually I'll make that hoop chrome. I'll make the much. Let's go ahead and just make the inserts. The miscellaneous here and the polished. It'll knock them back a little bit, as well as the hoops. Okay, and then like I said, you just let it sit and bake off, and the longer it sits there, the cleaner and cleaner and cleaner it's going to get. I'm going to make those inserts brushed. There you go. That's how we make Project Old Ox. Thanks.